As New Yorkers travel and get ready to see their families, Governor Hochul is issuing new guidance for who she refers to as the state's critical workforce, which I'll get to in a moment. She also announced that the state hit a new milestone, 44,431 new positive COVID cases. That number shot up from around 39,000 cases just yesterday and about 29,000 cases the day before. However, the governor doesn't want to alarm New Yorkers, as she made clear that so far health experts do not consider the Omicron variant to be as severe as previous COVID mutations, meaning you probably won't get as sick with Omicron. But this variant is much more contagious. Still, the governor announcing today that specific New Yorkers who test positive may not have to quarantine for as many days.
Today, I'm issuing new guidance on returning to work for our critical workforce after they've tested positive, and employers may allow healthcare workers and other critical workforce members who've had COVID to return after 5 days if they are fully vaccinated, again, fully vaccinated, and are asymptomatic, or their symptoms have been resolving and they have no fever for the last 72 hours, and they don't have to be taking medication. So in this select group, and we also say that when they come back to work, they have to wear a mask.
The governor also said the plan is to keep schools open when they're supposed to be back in session January 3rd. Testing within schools will continue. Hochul has a call within this week with all of the state's school superintendents to go over safety plans. Based on CDC guidance, she's highly recommending that schools adopt the test to stay plan, where students who have been exposed can stay in school if they are tested regularly. As for overall testing here in the city and across the area, it's proven to be very difficult to get an appointment for a COVID test or to find an at-home test for purchase, which the governor addressed.
Literally in the last 48 hours, we delivered over 600,000 tests to the city, so their Department of Health could have resources to get them out. So we're continuing to bring resources to them directly. And again, Wednesday next week, we've already announced 5 more testing sites that'll be opening, 1 per borough at this point. We're going to continue to ramp this up.
The governor also stressed that she believes so much heartbreak could be avoided if all New Yorkers just got vaccinated. She said new data reveals that unvaccinated people are 20 times more likely to die from COVID than vaccinated people, a staggering number.